taking
Who's
a
what?
long time. I gotta pee.
Huh?
I gotta pee.
Why?
Well, apparently I had to strike a pose, but then nobody wanted me to strike a pose. What do you do with that? Fucking retard.
Alright, you wouldn't let me shoot a pose.
I think I have my freaking charger here.
Who?
Me. Don't.
Don't what?
Wait.
What? Oh.
Wait. I gotcha.
No, you didn't.
I gotcha. That's it.
Oh, no.
That one wasn't good. Probably.
I got Tammy, too.
What the heck is this? Oh, my daughter must have been taking pictures on
And I have
the phone
breasts.
the other days. Oh, there's
You
Chloe
have
now.
breasts? Oh,
You see?
look.
Can you see very good?
How come?
No, my breasts are all covered up.
Why?
Oh, it's just one of those days.
Well, that's not good.
And I had the opposite day.
Yeah.
Hey,
But I
what did I
don't
do?
know.
Where did I lose my beer?
You stroke a pose.
I'm usually
strike
that.
a pose.
You were stroking a pose.
I'm usually that.
Did I stroke a pose?
You were stroking a pose.
Guys, is this free beer? Oh, that's really bad. Did you stroke a pose?
Oh, you're terrible.
Well, no.
Hurry up. Ready? Are we going to the fire? What
Are you going to the fire?
That is a very bright light. Why
See,
does
if
it
you had
stay on all the time?
cleavage like this, then I wouldn't bother you.
What?
Is that an iPhone 4 or 3?
4.
Hell no.
See, it's just not cutting
It
it.
would have to have
What's
this
going on?
fucking toy.
How's this? I shouldn't show you that. Oh my god.